Hello everyone, this is Nancy again. Today is the sea day, so we hang around on board. Let's take a look at all the activities that we have here. Let's do it.
Never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's near.
It's deep in their bones, they'll run into smoke when the fire is fierce.
First of all, let's have dinner. The dinner menu here is very limited nowadays due to COVID. The food are not as good like before. Before COVID, Carnival Cruise Line has great menu selection, but now the food is not as good. So if you want good food, you have to upgrade to the better food package. The prime rib and lobster dishes are sort of plain this time. Overall, the food selection is a little bit disappointed this time. After dinner, you can chill out around the lounge areas and then enjoy the music around here. After you get bored inside, you can put on a swimming suit and hang out in the pool area. Or just lay around, relax and enjoy the music. So we're very crowded this time. I bet everybody can't wait to go on vacation. You can play some basketball while you're here. This view is so beautiful. Look at the ocean. Oh yeah, this is real. If you like excitement, this is it. If you're not afraid of height, this is the great activities. Now it's time to meet the captain.
On the shows. He provides us with our air conditioning and so much more. He is our chief engineer, Sebastiano Mangano. And last but by no means least, the master of this beautiful vessel, the only man that can make the decision to change this 7-day vacation of a lifetime into a 14-day vacation of a lifetime. I can't make any promises, but if you give him a huge round of applause, he might decide to keep you. He's the captain of the Carnival Panorama, Captain Luca Lazzarino.
Hello everyone, thank you very much. What about our incredible cruise director, Lee? How's everybody doing tonight?
If you like classic music, this place is for you. For me, I like the bar area and the techno music. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Thanks. Bye.